Hello everyone, I'm Liu, head of General Industry Team in Welo, Korea. Our team is concentrating on pump demand in the marine, power generation, and battery manufacturing sectors. Over the past 13 years, we have built a strong relationship and mutual trust with Doosan Enerbility. However, we still have to prove that we are capable of successfully delivering the entire system, not just supplying pump products. So we devoted nearly 2 years of effort. The lube oil system is a critical auxiliary system for the main turbine, making it extremely important. So, approval and winning an order requires much more than technical expertise alone.
My name is Bak-ho Sheik, and I work in the System Quality Management team at Doosan Enerbility. With the growing demand for AI and the increasing need for electricity from power plants, both domestically and internationally, manufacturing and supplying power plant equipment has significantly increased. As a result, quality management activities have also become much busier. We selected Welo Pumps because of outstanding technical expertise and management capabilities. We recognize Welo as a global, top-tier pump manufacturer. We believe that Welo's technical know-how and management excellence, and when used in power plants, we're expecting even greater synergies. We, Doosan, are demanding to meet very high-quality standards because power plants are critical infrastructure that is also critical key products for Doosan too. It is equally important that our suppliers keep pace with these high expectations and grow together with us. The PP12 project was awarded to us by the Saudi Electricity Company, and it demands exceptionally high-quality standards. Welo has consistently complied with our technical requirements from the initial meetings through to now. The project has progressed smoothly without any issues so far. In particular, because this is the first product of its kind, Welo has paid close attention to every stage of the quality process and has implemented thorough quality management. Throughout the manufacturing process of the PP12 lube oil unit, Welo has demonstrated excellent technical expertise, project management capability, and a strong willingness to take responsibility and manage risks. We believe Welo will continue to be a valuable long-term partner for us in the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Gwang-ho Lee and I lead the Project Engineering and Management team at Welo Korea. Our PEM team serves as the end-to-end control tower for projects, responding quickly and flexibly to changing market conditions. Doosan Enerbility is a global leader in the power generation industry. Working with Doosan requires world-class engineering expertise and quality management capabilities. Over the past 13 years, PEM team have successfully delivered a wide range of projects with Doosan Enerbility, proving performance and experience. PP12 Lube Oil System is Welo's first project to supply the entire system package. During the project, an unexpected supply disruption in Hormuz affected the delivery of 50,000 liters of test oil. Together with our customer and partners, we quickly developed alternative plans, diversified supply sources, and secured on-time delivery. By embracing an agile mindset, we have strengthened our ability to respond to challenges and adapt to changing market conditions. With this experience and confidence, our PEM team is ready to lead new business opportunities and become a first mover in emerging markets.
lube oil system!